Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, come to page number 102, the last paragraph. Okay, are just going somehow few lines. Okay, before that, when Mr. Bilge, when Mr. Bilge told him or showed him the map, and there, and there he saw the letter T. The letter T. Okay, I asked. The T is stands for what? The treasure. The T stands for what? The treasure. Okay. And after that, the buried treasure, said the captain, and turning the map over the oar, he reads from the back of it. The point T indicates the spot where the treasure is buried under the sand. So what the T indicates? The T indicates the place where the treasure is buried under what? Under the sand. Under the sand. Okay? Or sand, whatsoever. And it consists of $500,000 Spanish dollars. How many dollars were there? $500,000. It means $5 lakh. Okay? And is buried in a brown leather dress suitcase. And in what thing? Okay, it is buried in a brown leather suitcase. In which? In a brown leather suitcase. Okay. So, and where is the island? I inquired with excitement. I asked with mad excitement, or mad with excitement. I was so much passionate. I was so much excited that I was going crazy. I was going to become mad. I was going to become mad. Mad means senseless. A person who's unable to think or loses the capacity of thoughts, the potential of thinking. So he was so much excited that he was unable to think. Okay? And asked that where the island is. That I do not know, said the captain. I intend to sail up and down the parallels of the latitude until I find it. I myself don't know where that is, but I will have to go up and down the latitude. Latitude, it is a line. Okay? It is a line on the globe. It is a line on the globe. As you can see over there, that is, I think it is an eye or a globe. Yes, that is the globe. So the latitude. Now, please. And meantime, the first thing to do is to reduce the number of the crew as to have fewer hands to divide among. Okay, come, he added in a burst of frankness which made me love the man in spite of his shortcomings. He was a truthful man. He was not a liar. In spite of shortcomings, that he was a cruel person. He was throwing the crew member, the innocent people, out. What? Out of the ship. He was a murderer, but in spite of his crimes, his shortcomings, his faults and errors, he was a truthful man. He was a straightforward man. He took me by hand and he told me everything openly and truly. He hid nothing from me. Okay? From me. He hid nothing from me. And when he showed that he is a truthful person, then I loved him. I loved these qualities and characteristics in spite of his cruelty. In spite of his cruelty, that he was a cruel person. So, will you join me in this? One of your questions will be answered over here. Will you join me in this? Are you with me? Will you become my second? Will you become my partner in killing the people and, finding out the treasure and then dividing it among us? So will you be my partner? Well, okay. We will throw them all over. We will throw them one by one from the ship. Okay? keeping the cook to the last. We will just, give the cook the last number because we need something to eat and he will cook for us. What he will do? Cook for us. So that's the thing, okay? And dig up the treasure and be rich for the rest of our life. We will become millionaires. We will become, the richest people then to have, $500,000 Spanish dollars, something. So reader, do you blame me if I said yes, I was young, odd, and ambitious, full of bright hopes and boyish enthusiasm? Readers, you all, will you blame me? In that age, my blood was warm. I was passionate. I was having dreams. I was having a life ahead of me to build a big mansion, to have a beautiful carriage, to have, a beautiful life. So will you blame me? The question is, if I said yes, Captain Bilge, I said, putting my hand in his, what I did. Hello, what I did. Captain Bilge, this is my hand. And we shook hands with each other. And I told him, I'm all yours. I'm all yours. It means we are partners. We will throw the people. We will take, up what? The treasure, and we will divide and we will become the richest people after that. So coming towards the exercise, hurry up, tell me what is in the scheme. D and E. Okay. D and G, I think. Okay, question number D is, how does the captain treat his crew? I think this is the easiest. Okay, the captain treat his crew okay, the captain treated, I would say. If you want to make it in past tense, then treated. In present, then treat. The captain treated his crew mercilessly. No. The captain treated his crew mercilessly. What did the captain do? The captain treated his crew. If you want to take it to past, then ed. Okay. The captain treated his crew mercilessly by throwing them one by one into what? Into what? Ocean. Into the ocean or sea, whatsoever you call it. This is the answer. Okay, answer of question number D. Now we are coming to answer of question number G. You will have to leave some empty space for the question. Is this so? Leave a line up too empty for the question. Hey, don't make such a noise. Now question number G is, what reason does Blowhard give for joining the captain in his scheme? Can you tell me? Hello. What reasons? We discussed it just a few minutes earlier. What reasons? Blow hard gave, blow hard did what? Gave these reasons to join what? The captain in his scheme, that what? That he was young. He was young The next is what? He was young, ardent, ambitious. Okay, that is what? Ambitious, full of right. Hopes, join. Join. Okay. Bright hopes and wise enthusiasm. Yes, my dear, your family against except this is in the book. I'm writing from the book. Don't you have a duster? Okay, Blowhard gave these reasons to join the captain in his grand scheme. That he was young, ardent, ambitious, full of bright hopes and wise enthusiasm to become what? And to become rich for the rest of his life. Now tell me which question or portion do we have after it? Hurry up. Okay, tell me, hurry up. D, B1 and 3. Okay, so use the words. Please sit down. My dear, this is in the book. Open the book, see the last lines, you will find these words. Okay, now you see, use other words than those in italic. The words are given in the exercise, they are in italic. They are in what? Italic. Okay, use other words than them and rewrite the following. Do not alter the meaning. So all we have to do is to change the words, not the meaning. In this, portion of exercise, we are to change the words, but not the meaning. We are to do what? To change the words. B, that is B1. To change the words, but not meaning, and that is bronzed by the sun. Bronzed by the sun mean? Bronzed by the sun mean to become tan color. Tan, by the sun. Yes. By the sun. This is A. You will have to write the questions or leave space for the question. Remember, I'm just writing the answers. The next is exceptional brain power. Exceptional brain power means genius. Genius, okay? Genius, or you can say extraordinary intellect or intelligence. The next one is I could scarcely repress. Scarcely repress. It means I can hardly stop. I can hardly stop. Number C is I can hardly stifle or stop. Yes. TANNED. Tan. Tan means to be bronze or that color. The next is on the eve of departure. On the eve of departure. On the eve of departure means just the next day you will be going or that time that you will be starting the voyage. Number D. To start the voyage. To start the voyage or time to leave, time to start the passage, time to start the voyage. Yes, man. Which one, my dear? Your hand is not going to tell me anything. This one, that. My dear, all these things are. Hello, this answer is over there on page number 102, and the last two lines. Now you can see to start the voyage. The next is chut chut. This is difficult, or is it? Chut chut mean this is hello. This is an interjection. When you are not going to approve someone, we are not going to permit or allow someone. Disapprove. What is it? Disapprove. Disapprove or refuse. These were what? The tut tut, they are what? They are interjections. The next is I. Yes, okay. Okay. You can say yes. Yes, okay. You can say yes, sir. I answer me? Yes, sir. The next is G. The G is descended to my cabin. The word descend means to come down. Descend means to come down. Okay, so descended to my cabin. Came down to my cabin. Came down to my cabin. Number H is I contented myself. The word content means when you are going to satisfy yourself. When you are going to do what? To satisfy yourself. To be contented means to be happy with what you have, with the things you have. Okay, I contented myself. I satisfied myself. I satisfied myself. Okay, or to be happy with what you have. The next is I looked at him fixedly. Okay, I looked at him fixedly means to observe someone, to critically watch someone, to examine someone. And by the sun. Genius. I looked at him fixedly means to examine someone closely. To examine someone. To examine someone closely. To examine someone closely. Fixedly mean to see someone with, you know, with critical view, or to have a critical view of someone.
Number 8 disappoint.
What?
Number E. Disappoint. Number E.
Disapprove. Yes. This is one S. Disapprove. Okay. No. Okay, the last one is I looked at him fixedly. I stared at him. I watched him. Okay, to stare someone. And the last one is J. I will confide in you. Hello. I will confide in you. The word confide is from confidence. Hello. The word confide is from confidence. Is from what? Confidence. And the word confidence means when you trust someone. I will confide in you. I will trust you. I will. I will trust you. I will do what? I trust you. Bas. And now, please. Number 3 is spelling. The final L of word is usually doubled when a suffix beginning with a vowel is added to it. Towel, toweled. Okay. Now you can see model. Then you will have to add suffixes as er, ed, and ing, such things to the okay words. Okay. Can we go ahead or stop it over here? Stop it. Okay, just telling you, model will become modeling. Signal, double-eld, wheeled, shovel or shoveling, leveled, animal, okay, dialed, cooled, rivaled, okay, kneeling, cancelled, pedaled, sailed, okay, or sailing, funneled, controlled, peeled, compelled, or compelling, you can feel, okay. Will you please? Okay, field. The next is boil or boiling, or then you can say boiler. So many things. Propelled, or all these things. So this, I think, enough. Do you have anything in C? You will have to write down these things from a dictionary. You will have to add er or ed or ing to these words. That's not difficult. You can do it from a dictionary. Okay? Okay? Which one? You know, to examine someone closely. Now, do you have anything in C? Exercise C. Yes, sir. Ryan.
Yes.
Exercise C. Arya. Is there exercise C? Okay, so I think the exercise is completed now. Then you have, fill in the blanks in the grammar with suitable conjunctions. Conjunctions are over there. He is clever, but he is lazy. Will you have tea or coffee? He is stronger than I am, or I. The next is he will help you when you ask him, or if you ask him. Grammar page number 62. Give me the grammar. The next is I love him. I love him because he's kind to me. That's it. This is the page I'm telling you. Okay, bring me a slate and a pencil. Hello. Bring me a slate and a pencil. I am tired. So I am going to bed. Wait here until I come back. He had gone. He had gone when I returned. Okay, thank you so much.
So you will send this in the group format.